So hi friends, welcome to Women's channel of the another video. So how to make sound like this? So let's start the video. So first, this is your hand of 5 fingers. So make together 4 fingers like this. Mix like this. So after keep like this to your hand or anything. So you can use like. So it is not coming for this. It is coming for nice for shirt and hands perfectly. So see. So I think you are hearing. So it is sounding. So it is easy way, but you want to practice some time. If you will practice, you can get this easy. So bye.